My little 1-gallon vacuum broke, so I bought a new one. Ryobi. Saying unboxing, but that's the box. That's the box that came in. There's 3 different sizes. A big one for $160, $88 one, which I think the only thing I could see difference, it comes with a little extra little attachment. And I bought the $69 one, just nice and cheap. This little dinky thing just goes in here like this, and then the hose plugs in. And then you take these 2 little things, they attach to the side. I guess that wraps the hose around to it. So it's quick, it's easy, it's light. Let's see if it's any good. I just needed to clean out the condensate drain and vacuum the cars, little dinky stuff like that. We'll see how she runs. For a cordless little thing, it's pretty good. Seems to be working, getting all little crevices. I couldn't buy the big giant Milwaukee. I just couldn't. I couldn't see it. These Ryobis are so cheap. They sucker you in with the, you know, the little compressor, and you buy the batteries, and you have them. So they're pretty good, and you just throw them out when they're a problem. So, hey, for 70 bucks, what do you want? It'll be fine. Pick one up.